Welcome back to my channel. Today we have Petit Vour's June box. If you don't know, this is a monthly subscription, costs $18 a month, and it is vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, so they usually send 4 products. I think usually 1, sometimes 2 is full size. The rest are sample size. And yeah, so let's go ahead and look on the inside. That is what the inside looks like. And this right here is the card. And on the back has the items, and it lists the price of the samples or full size that's in the box. So if you want the actual full size price of the product, you have to look online. I will go ahead and list the sample and full size price below in the corner. If it is just full size, you're just going to see the full size price. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. First thing we got here is Kaylee Cosmetics Beachy Kiss Lip Gloss, and this retails for $16. Go. Okay, so that's a really pretty color. It's not really pink, it's not really off, kind of goes with this outfit. Okay, this is Mango Mojito, so let's see what that looks like. Okay, this is a very sheer gloss. I'm guessing it'll probably add a little tint on the lips. I don't really know, but I do like it, but it does apply clear. Okay, so on the card it says, this lightweight, silky formula glides like water to deliver brilliant shine with a touch of sparkle while hydrating for youthful, healthy-looking lips. So this is going to be a great summer product. All right, next item is Kaya Naturals Take Sumi Detox Deodorant, and this retails for $10. It says it's a natural bamboo charcoal deodorant stick, activated charcoal and natural fermentation technology, fight odor causing bacteria, keeping you fresh all day. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not going to use it yet, but that is what it looks like. The next item we have here is a Car Skin Restore Eye Serum. A luscious and soothing oil for targeted treatment around the eye. This liquid amber serum is charged with key ingredients that result in hydrated, depuffed, and well-rested eyes. Now this is definitely something I will use. It's very tiny. It's saying that this small little thing retails for $25, which means full price is probably a really insane price, but I, of course, will have that listed for you. Let me see what it looks like out of the box. That's really cute. Look at that. Look how tiny and cute that bottle is. Still $25 for that little bottle. That is kind of insane. All right, the last item in this box is Be Kind Nourishing Hand Cream, and that retails for $16. Let's see, there you go. Says, made from a mix of deeply nourishing ingredients, this hand balm moisturizer soothes, repairs, and promotes tissue healing and leaves a soft floral scent. Okay, like the idea of floral. Okay, this does smell really nice. It's very gentle and it's not overpowering, which I like. I like floral scents over fruit scents all the time, but the fact that it's not overpowering makes me happy, because I don't like it overpowering. Let's see. Okay, this feels really, really, really nice. I am excited about that. And it smells good, feels good. I'm happy. All right, that is it of what is in my box. Let me know what your favorite product is. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like more content like this. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.